So we got an important video for you today, and it's about cracking your knuckles. You all saw the title. So let's see, does it cause arthritis? We're going to find out. We're going to settle with this once and for all. I have Gary here and Nelson here, and we are cranking out videos super early in the morning. It's like 3 a.m. in the morning. But we love you all, and we want to get these videos out to you. And this question comes up periodically in our forum, so we wanted to get this question out and kind of have some little fun with you guys too, and let you all engage a little bit more in the videos. Again, this is Create Your Best Version, and y'all know it's good vibes only over here. If you coming for drama, hate, negativity, you back it out, keep moving. That's not over here. It's just lots of love and supporting each other. And if you want a community, be a part of this community, then what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now if you're new. And if you are hearing me and seeing me, hit the like button. Okay, I'll wait. Do, 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 do. Can you put that song up, Carrie? Do, 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 do. Oh yeah, I don't want to get a copyright strike. Okay, thank you. But like the video, hype the video, share the video, and join me with this video right now. So let's go. Let's answer this question. Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? The whole world wants to know. The whole YouTube family wants to know. So Gary, can you drop that question in the chat real quick? We're doing a Zoom call. So let's see, yes or no, does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? Yeah, put it in the chat right now. Thank you, Gary. Yeah. Ooh, a lot of answers coming in. Gary, what are you saying? Okay. We got, it looks like a split. Oh.
Yes.
All right. Half yes, half no. Split.
Yes.
Okay, so it's a split total. Half of you all are saying yes, and half of you all are saying no. But before we break this tie, why do people who crack their knuckles, if you crack your knuckles, can you put why in the chat? What are you seeing, Nelson, Gary? Habit? Okay, yes. A lot of habit. When they get boredom? Okay. Anxiety? All right.
Yes.
Oh, somebody said they're on a computer all day and their hands get tired and they have to do that. Okay. All right. So what makes the popping sound, Gary? Do you know? So in the joint, we have a fluid called synovial fluid. And it's like, it acts as a lubricant. And in that lubricant, it contains nitrogen, which is like a gas, a dissolved gas. So when you stretch or bend your finger to crack your knuckles, you're pulling the joint apart. Ouch.
Ouch.
Ooh. This creates like a low pressure area, and it causes the gas to bubble, and then it is rapidly formed and then collapses and is released. So the popping sound you hear when you crack your knuckles is the sound of a gas bubble bursting. Wow. Interesting. So it takes about 20 minutes for the gas to dissolve back into the fluid, which is why many people cannot re-crack that same knuckle. And I've seen people try to do that. Yes, I have. I have coworkers, nurses and doctors and therapists, coworkers who crack their knuckles. But they're on a computer a lot too, so that might have a lot to do with it. We got quite a few answers saying that's why they do it in the chat below. Thank you guys for commenting too and engaging with us today on this video. So arthritis is generally caused by especially genetics, previous injuries, age, autoimmune diseases, not by cracking your knuckles. Okay. All right. Now, I'm around people who crack their knuckles quite often, and boy, is it annoying.
Yes.
But it doesn't damage your joints. So there you have it. Voila. We answered your question. Cracking your knuckles, does it cause arthritis? No, nada. It's a big myth. All right. So that's the end of this video. It's a wrap. Thank you for hanging out with us and chatting with us, besties, and also for engaging in this Zoom call video. We're on our way to the next YouTube video. So make sure you turn on your notification bell for all videos, because we cranking these videos. Our crew, they are on the go and cranking these videos out almost every day just for y'all. All right. So, and they're very educational and informative. And we got you. If you have a title or a topic you want us to cover, drop it in the chat below. We got you. And hit us up on Instagram if you need support, encouraging, or motivation. We here for you. All right. DM us on our Instagram account. So much love to you guys. Hurt and kisses. Escape from Create Your Best Version. And it's good vibes only. Good vibes only. Yeah. Create your best version. And it's good vibes only. Thank you for joining us today. Good vibes only. Yeah. Good vibes only. Like and subscribe. Good vibes only. Love y'all. Good vibes only. Hey, Gary, can you drop thank you for watching right here?
Yes.
Yeah, I like that low voice of that man. And subscribe to my channel, that one too. Yeah, that one, that's good. Thank you, Gary. Love y'all.
Subscribe to my
Good
channel.
vibes only. Good vibes only. Don't forget to watch our videos at the end of this video. It keeps us in the algorithm when you click them on and watch for a few minutes. And of course, like the video when you do that. So on to the next video. Take good care of you, besties. We love y'all. Bye. Keep creating your best. Your best. Ooh, your best. Your best.
Yes.
I got a scratch in a record. Just tease it. Best version. Bye. Love y'all.
Love you.
Love you.